What's up YouTube? This is Fitz with Greensboro iPhone Repair. Today we're going to be unlocking an AT&T iPhone. Unfortunately, the device does need to be paid off and it does need to be clean, no iCloud or anything. But it is a pretty simple process and I'll go ahead and walk you through it. Let's go over to my computer. Alright, so we got the phone in front of us, and what we're gonna need is the IMEI right here, that information. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to the AT&T device unlock link. I'll put it in the description. When it says, are you an AT&T wireless customer? I click no, and then when it asks for the IMEI number, you're gonna put in this number right here. So let's go. All right, and it'll show up what kind of phone it is. Apple iPhone 7. You gotta hit I'm not a robot, and you have to hit yes, I've read the legal stuff. And it'll ask for your first and your last name. I'm just gonna put this, but make sure your phone number, make sure that this is not an AT&T number. So what I do is I use the number for my store because it's Spectrum. Put your email address in and then hit submit. And it'll send you a link, and once you hit that link, it'll have a confirm your unlock request. Make sure you click that confirm, and in about 24 hours your device should be unlocked.